Good morning. As promised yesterday, we are going to be practicing cause and effect with a story. Today I will be reading for you the story, The Clothesline by Orby. My name is Reggie. I'm 5 years old. I live here above the corner store. It's handy because when I get my allowance, I don't have to go far to buy treats. Mom gives me an allowance for doing chores around the house. She calls me her big helper and gives me her change. I zip down the stairs really fast, just like a superhero. But not if Mom is watching, because it would scare her. Tap, 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 tap. On the way down, I like to give the knot on the clothesline a good yank. Tap, tap, tap. I can't help it. Tap, tap. I love the sound it makes. Tap, tap. Doing. This morning I helped Mom pick up my toys and I vacuumed. I like helping Mom. She must have been happy with my work because she gave me 30 cents. 3 dimes. 30 cents. I was excited about all the candy I could buy. I ran down the stairs even faster than usual. Tap, 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 tap. Maybe too fast. Tap, tap, tap. Because I lost my footing just as I grabbed onto the knot of the clothesline. Squeak, 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 whiz. Uh-oh. My name is Reggie. I'm 5 years old, and I'm stuck in the middle of a clothesline. This is what Mom would call a dilemma. Either I fall, because my left hand is already telling me that I'm too heavy for it to hold up, or I help my left hand with my right, but then I'd have to drop my 3 dimes. Ouch! I decide to try holding on with both hands without letting go of my money. Notice his coins are falling. That doesn't work. Clink, clink, clink. So I shout for help as loud as I can, as loud as I am scared, as loud as I'm mad that I dropped my 30 cents. Help me! Mom! Help! Save me! I'm stuck! Mom! Help me! Ah! Mommy! Mom? Mom? But nobody hears me. Not even my mom, who can usually hear mischief from a mile away. Notice Mom's reading a book with headphones and he's just hanging back there. What do I do now? I don't cry. At least not very much. Ooh, if I can get over to the pole, I can climb down from there. See, he sees the pole. Trying to swing himself back and forth. I haven't budged. So I wait. Wait for someone to walk by, for someone to see me, for someone to save me. But nobody comes. Well, almost nobody. Here's a cat. Hey there, have you come to save me? Meow. You're probably wondering what I'm doing up here. I'm asking myself the same question. My hands hurt. Ouch. I'm scared of plunging to my death. Ouch. There are usually people walking by. Where are they now? I'm tired. It's been a long time. No one's coming. The only way to get down... I think I need to... Oops. Is to let go of the knot. I don't have a choice. Gulp. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't do it. I'm too scared. Mommy! See, she's still sitting up there. At some point, she'll notice I haven't come back. It's been a really long time since I left. Why doesn't she even realize that I'm gone? Mother! Mommy! Mom! Mom! Pop! Uh-oh. Ah! It's over. Ow. Wow! Boo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Sniff. Oh, he sees his money. Ding, ding. Picking out his candy. The next week. My name is Reggie. I'm 5 years old. Tap, tap. When I go down the stairs now, tap, 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 I look at the knot on the clothesline, but I don't touch it. Even though I miss the sound it makes. Ba-dong! The end. Exit. All right. So today in Seesaw, you are going to have to find 3 cause and effects from the book. So remember, cause is what happened first to make this happen second. So this is going to be the page that you will be filling out. 3 causes and then the 3 effects that go with that cause. I have uploaded 3 pages from the book, and your job is to find 3 cause and effects in these pages. There are way more than 3. There's at least 6, if not more, but you only have to find 3. The second part to your assignment is when you find them, you need to highlight them in your text. So use your highlighter tool, highlight where you see your cause and effects, and then write them down. So you'll have to be switching back and forth between the story pictures in Seesaw and the table. Your teacher will be looking for both the table to be filled in as well as your evidence in the story that you highlighted. Okay? If you are having a hard time reading the story, you can always go back and listen to me read it again and then pause it and then go and find it in the story or in your template that way. Have fun. Tomorrow we will actually start phonics. So we will be done with cause and effect.